this up. Oh yeah. LED headlight kit. What is this gonna go on? Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever time it is, and welcome back to the channel. And yeah, just quickly today, what we have going on is, if you follow me on my channel, you know that the Porsche, we ran something over, and yeah, the tires have arrived, not to my place, but they've arrived to the Costco where I'm going to get them installed. But the only issue is that I don't have a spare for this car, and I don't necessarily want to tow it. So I have some old tires that fit on my old BMW that I have. So first I got to see if those tires even hold air anymore, because they've been on the side of the house for like a couple years now. And also if they'll fit on the Porsche. Yeah, we'll see. And then those headlights, the headlight bulbs, the LED bulbs, are actually for the Fiat. The Fiat is actually one of the lights is out, so I figured I might as well change them to LED. So I bought those light bulbs off of Amazon. So I think first things first, we're gonna get this inside the house and get those installed real quick. It's not gonna be a tutorial, but just to show you really quick how I get those installed into there. And then we're gonna try to figure out the tire situation with this, so that tomorrow I can take it to Costco to get the new tires, all 4 tires installed on this one. So yeah, let's see how this is gonna work out. Let's do this. I think this is actually the first time I've had the Fiat in the garage. It has a lot of space on both sides and in the front. That's funny. It's a little car, but yeah. Pop this. I don't think I've ever opened of this one, and I learned from the A-Bar that you gotta. It's not like the new cars where you could have this open on its own. You gotta actually get that in. Oh, that was a lot easier than the A-Bar. Maybe I just gotten better. Yeah. Ooh, multi air. How many airs does it need? Okay, this looks like a really tight space to work on, and I'm getting blown up on my phone. Looks like, oh shoot, that's not even, wait, no, okay, yeah, that has got to be it. So probably, yeah, it looks like that just comes right off. Okay, hold on. Oh, that made a noise. Same on this side. Okay, hold up. Okay, we're gonna try to figure this out. I didn't watch any videos on YouTube. I probably should be more supportive of YouTube, but I'm gonna try to figure this out without any instructions. Lefty loosey. Okay, it's pretty simple. Just unscrew this and it pops out. Reach in for the light bulb. Easy. It's actually a really nice light bulb. That snaps right out. It's funny, the color of the bulb is really nice, but when it shines on, it doesn't look that nice. But yeah, the new ones will. So I got this new kit. It says 300% brighter. I don't know how they measure that, but yeah. Oh, where's my knife? Okay. Rah. Rah. Whoa. Damn. All right, so each one has one of these attached to it. I'm gonna get that out. Damn, that looks nice. Look at that. Okay, let's get this in there. We got some good news and some bad news. The bad news is I think I either ordered the wrong bulbs or they sent me the wrong bulbs. The good news is I could either return them or exchange them, or I can keep them as a backup because they will fit the Lexus CT. So that's a fail for today. Can't get that bulb in, but that's all right. This is not a daily driver anyways, and we hardly use it at night, so just take it out, and now we'll try to see if I can get a tire on the Porsche. Yeah. Okay, here's the tires I was talking about. So maybe this will fit on the Porsche as a spare until I can get the tires put on at Costco. So yeah, I need to get these out of here. Let me put on the tire real quick. No? Okay. You're good? Okay. Okay, so with the tire, the first question is, well, does it still hold air? And so we're gonna I'm gonna try that out first, because if it doesn't hold air, then there's really no point in me trying to see if it'll fit on there. Am I right? We'll see. So yesterday I attempted to work on the tires for the Porsche and I could not get them off, so I ended up getting it towed to Costco. The tires are in, so right now it's at Costco, and yeah, we're gonna pick it up soon. And also I got the light bulbs, the right light bulbs for the Fiat, so that's coming today too. Right, look what came in the mail. Oh yeah, we got, this should be the right lights for the Fiat. Yeah, this should be it. All right, we need to get the Lexus out of the way. By the way, the Porsche's back. Update on that in a bit. All right, so the Fiat's now inside. This time, I'm sure we have the right bulb. I'm gonna get that in, and yeah, should be easy. Got that out. I already took the bulb out last time, so I'm just gonna plug this in. All right, make sure that worked before we put it in, because you can actually put it on either way, either side. So you may think it's plugged in right, and you'll place it in the housing and then find out that it's not plugged in right, even though it fits. So always make sure it works before you put that back in the housing. I'm gonna put this back on. All right, now check that out. So now you got a nicer, more white blue headlight. That's your stock one right there. Yeah, I think it looks really good. And just to see the shine that it gives, that's the more dull light, and that's the more bright light, the new one. So now we'll get the next one in. This is the main difference now. It's crazy, these don't actually have that amplifier looking thing that's attached to some of the other ones I've used before. It just plugs right in. It has a fan to cool it down, whereas this is your stock standard one. And I mentioned earlier that the color on this is actually really nice, but it doesn't translate to what you actually see. Now this LED on both sides gives it that really bright, nice white. And I'll link in the description which ones I bought for this 2012 Fiat 500. So by no means is this a tutorial on how to do that. I'm trying to do more of a vlog, and it just so happens I'm installing some stuff into the car. Not some stuff, I'm installing light bulbs into this car. But I do want to show you guys something, and that is that, so this has a housing right here, and that's where that cap that I was holding earlier goes onto. Now the good thing about these bulbs, and I was mentioning that doesn't have sort of like that little amplifier thing like the other ones do, is that because it's very compact, everything fits right in there. So if you're familiar with these cars and that cap that goes over it, you can stuff that wiring around in here and be able to close that right up without having to worry about where you're gonna mount, or if that little amplifier looking thing is gonna be just hanging around. So that's just a nice thing to know about this product in this car. But yeah, let's finish this up. Okay, we got the owner of the Fiat.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
What do you think of your new headlights? You what?
I love them.
Okay.
I got to change the oil of the bottom.
She wants to change the fog, not the fog light, the daytime running lights. And once she sees how dull the fog lights are, she might want to change those too, so it could all match. But yeah, we'll see. That could be for another video. All right, so there you have it. The Fiat is all set. The light bulb's in. We can use this at night without, getting pulled over for having a headlight out. And it looks a lot better with these LED bulbs than it did with the stock OEM bulbs, in my opinion. I'm pretty sure a lot of people will agree. Trin said she loves them, and now she wants to change the other lights so they can match, and I'm down to do that. So you'll probably see that in another video. Again, this wasn't a tutorial to show you how to do it, but if you do have any questions about it, please let me know. For the next video, you'll see why the Porsche is back, and it has new tires, but there's an issue, a really big issue with it. So that's for another video that'll be coming out soon. But yeah, thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe and share with anyone that might be into this type of content. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later.